Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to give accountant free agent access. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, plus some quick tips, so you set the right level of access the first time. Start on your free agent overview page. From here, move to the top right corner of the screen to find the account menu. Open that drop down to reveal your admin options, then choose settings. Depending on your account, this menu may display your business name or your profile icon. Either way, you're looking for the main account menu in the upper right. On the settings page, select users. This section is where you manage everyone who can sign into your account. Click New User to create an entry for your accountant. You'll need admin privileges to see this button. You'll land on the new user form. Begin by setting the role. Open the role dropdown and choose Accountant. This role applies sensible defaults designed for external accountants and bookkeepers. Next, fill in the basic details. Click into first name, then last name, and enter them exactly as you want them to appear. If your workspace asks for it, click date of birth and complete it using the date picker. Accurate details help support and audit logs later, so take a moment to double check spelling. Now set the status. Click the status field and choose the option that matches how you plan to add them. Selecting an invite status lets FreeAgent send the welcome message automatically. Selecting an active status is typically used when access is managed by an admin. Pick the one your organization prefers. Scroll to the permissions area. With the accountant role selected, most permissions will already be aligned with advisory work. If you need to fine-tune them, drag the permission controls to allow or restrict specific areas such as bank accounts, bills, and reports. Grant only what's necessary for compliance and month-end tasks. Keeping permissions lean reduces risk and avoids accidental changes to day-to-day operations. When everything looks correct, finish up by choosing Create New User. FreeAgent will add the accountant to your users list, and if you selected an invite status, will send the appropriate notifications so they can get started. You can always return to users later to adjust permissions or update their status as circumstances change. Before you move on, skim the on-screen summary to confirm everything is accurate. That's it. Starting from Overview, into Settings, then Users, New User, pick Accountant, complete their details, set the status, confirm permissions, and create. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you're setting this up.